Hi, I'm Noni. Welcome to a special edition of Tips and Tricks. Today we have acclaimed filmmaker Howard Von Cash. Mr. Von Cash, it's a pleasure to have you here.
I'm sure it is.
Would you please tell us, what are some of your more famous movies?
Oh, there's so many. The French Toast Affair, Robots of the Soul, The Ant and the Firefly, Saturn's Orphans, Monkeys, 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 and of course, Bikini Car Wash 4.
You truly are a master of the craft.
Yes.
Howard,
Please call me Mr. Von Cash.
Mr. Von Cash, to what do you attribute your success?
So hard to say.
Is it your collaborators?
No,
Your supermodel wives?
no,
The studio?
no. It would have to be the 180-degree rule.
The 180-degree rule?
Well, Noonie.
Noni.
Noonie, we're using it right now. The 180-degree rule says that anytime you have two or more people talking, you can imagine an invisible line perpendicular to the camera. Once this line is established, the camera can't cross it, but it can move anywhere on the right side of the line. It's very complicated and artistic. Don't worry if you don't quite understand it yet.
Well, Howard, you're talking about a way to maintain screen direction and eyeline matches during dialogue so the audience doesn't get confused. Because when the camera is on the right side of the line and pointed at you, it shows you on the right-hand side of the screen, looking left. And when it's pointed at me, it shows me on the left-hand side looking right, just like in the actual physical space. So that when you cut from one shot to the other, it looks like we're looking at each other. But if the camera crosses that line and we point it at you, now you're on the left-hand side looking right, just like me. So that when we cut from one shot to the other, it doesn't look like we're talking to each other, but instead, like we're both looking in the same direction. So all someone needs to do to maintain that consistent eyeline match is to stay on one side of the 180-degree line. Watch my show, His Legacy TV, Doug's show, Grace to Overcome, and see us both on Will the Real Church Please Stand Up, all on North Metro TV. And be sure to visit northmetrotv.com and click on Public Access to sign up for free classes or to find even more great tips and tricks videos.